checking the reset button. Reset. Alright, so we already removed this. We got our ring out the way here. We're going to remove the 2 screws, one here, one on the other side. It takes a flathead screwdriver. Press the button. Do it lightly. Got out enough, we can remove my hand. There you go, you just have a screw, retaining brackets. Remove our P-trap. Oh, very good. Gasket came off with the pipe. We gotta remove the garbage disposal first. So we're just gonna use our tool here. Unlocks garbage disposal. We can bring it down. Now we can undo our bracket. You don't normally have to undo the bracket, but we have a snap ring here. Comes out. There you go. Our surface is clean here. This is our new one. We're going to back out our screws. Screws back out. Screws are all backed out. We can pop out our ring. This comes with the paper gasket. This goes under the sink. We're going to apply Plumber's putty around the face of this, which will seal to the sink, and this goes on the bottom of the sink. Plumber's putty. We're just applying it around. Whatever excess we have comes out. We're not let excess. So we have nice speed all around. Perfect. So there we go. That'll sit down. We're going to put something heavy on it. Put the old one on it. That would weigh it down. Now under the sink, it's going to go paper gasket, flange, this guy, and then the ring holds it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Got our new paper gasket. And then our ring. Then we have our new ring here. There we go, ring is in place. Our screws popped out. That's alright, we'll just reinstall them. Nice and solid. Here's our new disposer. If you have a dishwasher, you need to knock that out with a screwdriver. We have hooks here that are going to line up and slide along this as we twist it. We're going to put it up. And then we can twist with our fingers. So we're going to leave it loose, get it lined up. Our unit came with a new pipe with the gasket. New bolts as well. This one specifically had a sticker. It said to use only the enclosed bolts, so we'll use their bolts. So I'm going to put this together here. This is going to slide over that. We'll get our bolts put in place. Actually, not yet. So we're going to pull this ring off and this off the old one. We're going to put this on first on the new one, and then make sure you put your seal, gasket, make sure it's pointing down into where the pipe is going to go. We're going to put this into our old P-trap, reuse it. And now we're going to line this up. There we go. So now we're just lining this up so that this all sits flush. So we're just twisting this a bit, and there you go, that looks good. So once we like where it's at, we're gonna start up here and then we'll tighten this once we have it all the way where we want it. So we're not gonna over tighten this, we're just gonna tighten them down so that they're flush. And now we can secure the pipe. And then I like to loosen it up. I'll double check that the seal is in place, and then I'll tighten it one more time. So you have it in place. Now we can tighten this all the way. Just using a screwdriver to cinch it up. Okay, now let's run some water and see if it works. As mentioned, any excess will come out. Time to clean up the mess. Here it is, nice and clean. Back to normal.